Manufacturing isn't just about machines. It's about intelligence. It's about having an elevated understanding and deep working knowledge of an entire operation. Understanding how it all connects, driving real results. At EOSYS, we build the brains behind manufacturing. As a control system integrator, we connect standalone components into one seamless and unified smart system, unleashing your operations' full potential. As an employee-owned company, we make every decision with an owner's perspective. That means accountability is built into our DNA. As your trusted partner, we tailor solutions to your operation's unique challenges and goals. We go beyond machine connectivity, with emphasis on integration that delivers insights from your shop floor to every level of your organization, transforming operational data into meaningful solutions. As a leading system integrator, we're committed to driving industrial automation and digital transformation across food and beverage, spirits, chemical, pulp and paper, and more, helping leading manufacturers achieve even greater success. From industrial automation to digital transformation, we maximize your system's performance. You set the destination. We help guide your journey. Your more intelligent plan awaits. EOSYS, invested in your success.